All right, what's up, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We're going to be breaking down Gala, okay, looking at Gala games. And we're going to break down some of the price levels using the Fibonacci formula, all right, which is a math formula that it coexists in, the stock market, on the crypto charts, and, just all throughout nature, okay? And then we're also going to highlight the bullish divergence, which has been a part of the nice, rally that has been on here recently in the short term. Okay. And we're going to, basically teach you how to spot that for yourself and how to spot some valid support levels. Okay. So if you find anything useful or helpful in the video, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, really help the channel out. And we're going to go ahead and break it down. All right. So first things first, we take a look at the lows and the highs. All right. So we have our swing low to our swing high. All right. Once we break below there, it's going to give us these levels, the 127, the 1414, and the 1618, right? These are going to be some valid support levels that the price is going to, draw down and possibly find some support and recover, whether it's short term or long term, right? So the first one here is going to be that 1272. Once we start trading below that range, you're going to see we come over here to around 0.098. Okay. So we come over here, all right, right around those levels, right over here, all right, and that's where we find our first support. You see it bounces a little bit, and then it starts trading below. Well, where does it go to next? It's going to go to this 1618 at 0.0265, right? We haven't reached that level. It's all the way over here, but I'm going to show you guys how it's valid, all right, and where these support levels are that I think, okay. We have one down here at 0.0438 and 0.03443, and then we have one down here at 0.02597, and it's all going to be based off of the fibs, all right. So we look and, it's basically going to tell you where the price is going to go down to, right? So, we saw that it was going to come down to that 0.098 level. We saw it did. It bounced real short, but it just ended up flipping that to a resistance level, right? We can come in here and zoom in on a more recent swing high to swing low, and it's going to do the same thing. Give us the 1272, all right, the 141 and the 16.8, all right. When we come down and we break below this level, okay, and we start trading below here, look at where we come and find support and the buyer step in. It's at the 1.618 level, right? We come and look over here on the chart and we can see it had a nice recovery, okay, short term, and then it pulled back and it ended up breaking that level again. Right. So, here we are doing it again and just re-breaking down the swing lows to the swing highs. Right. And we're seeing that it's giving us a support level down here, 0.04, 0.034, right? And then 0.02636. Well, if we look at this level here, it's actually from the same level on our fibs originally from the first breakout, right? So we've seen on these ones over here that it broke the 1272, broke the 1418, broke the 1618, right? And it's starting to trade below there. But the price levels below, if we look, these are negative, right? It's not going to go into the negative. The lowest the price can go is to zero, right? So we need to find some more support levels for us, right? Well, the first one here is going to be that 1618 at 0.2565, right around that level. Okay. And look at where the 1618 on this move is right there, right around that same exact level. Okay. So, these are going to be the valid support levels that I'm looking at and watching currently. All right. And, that's kind of why. Okay. So we're going to, take these off the chart now and show you the bullish divergence. Okay. So bullish divergence that occurs when you have essentially the price of the token or stock, whatever the asset is that you're looking at, going down, but you're seeing the relative strength going up. So we can see that we're making higher lows on the RSI, right? That's a very simple term you can get familiar with, higher lows, and we're making higher highs, right? We have a high, 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 right? So four higher highs, all right, and we're making higher lows on the RSI, which stands for the relative strength index. Right now, let's take a look at what the actual price action has done from this low here, right? We look at our low on our RSI, this low here, right? We've gone down. It's gone down. That's red. That's, clearly a downtrend, right? And then let's take a look at the top of it. Okay, what's it doing on the top end here from this high up to this high? Well, we're actually going down. Okay, it's in a downtrend. All right, we'll do it again. We'll draw our trend line up here. We're going down. Okay, and it's just keep going down. All right. So, what we're seeing is a little bit of a nice chart pattern, okay, known as, a descending wedge or like a falling wedge. Okay, this is a bullish pattern where potentially we could get a breakout to the upside. Okay, so, if we do get a breakout, which, it kind of looks like we already may have had our breakout, but it's not, guaranteed. We could shoot back up to anywhere from like 10 cents to 12 cents on this move, right? If we get a nice breakout here. Again, we could have broke out on this trend line here, and this could be the clean breakout along with the bullish divergence that we need. All right. So on the R side, the way it works is below 30 is oversold and above 70 is typically overbought, right? We're looking at the daily chart right now. So, these do fluctuate, pretty kind of volatile because it is crypto. Crypto is very volatile, but there's plenty of room for us to just ride this bullish channel, right? So we see that we have a bullish channel, which is a bullish pattern on, the actual RSI. Okay. And then we're seeing an actual bullish pattern, possible breakout here on Gala. Okay. On the chart. Again, it's not super clean. You would like a little bit more structure on this. This trend line is perfectly drawn, but you know, that's what I'm looking at right now and looking for on the potentials, right? But if we keep dropping lower, okay, I have my levels where we could see a potential bounce, right? For one of these little, shorter term trades, right? Just try to catch the bounce off support, ride the momentum up, have a stop loss below your support level. Okay. So again, those support levels are 0.04038, 0.03443, and 0.02597. Those are going to be the major support levels, that I'm looking at, where if we do continue to drop, these are potential areas for a nice little bounce, or, to just set some dollar cost averaging alerts, right? Maybe you've been buying the dip periodically, and this is a good way to buy the dip, by price, right? Versus by time. You can just wait for it to hit your price level and boom, get a nice alert, and then buy into it dollar cost average, right? So there's many strategies. None of this is investment advice, but more of some technical analysis and really just breaking down the chart, what's been going on with Gala Games, why we could potentially see some future bullishness because of that bullish divergence channel on the RSI and the possible descending falling wedge pattern breakout. Okay, so if you like this video, don't forget to comment and subscribe, smash the like button, and let me know what crypto you want to see in your next video. Okay, because I do viewer requests every week. So if you want to see your your coin, your token in the next video, make sure to comment below.